Hello guys, welcome to you all. Guys, today I am going to talk after a long time. Before I was making blog video related to the English content, but due to some reason I stopped the blog video making around 2 months. So I remember today that I should make the blog video related to the English content because my viewers perhaps they are waiting my a blog video also my video. So today I thought that least I should make blog video. So guys, today I'm going to talk about the English language, why the English language so need for us. So I think that I belong to India, and yes, my official language is Hindi. I speak in Hindi language very fluency and properly good, and along with I start to speak the English language. So I think that how I will speak fluency English language. So I also practice at my home to learn the English language also for fluency English speaking. Guys, today I think that English language happened very necessary and the important all over the world. Suppose that I today I want to talk about the English language, why need the English language for all. Because suppose that you get the chance to go abroad country. In that abroad country, how you will interact to the people, it is the difficult matter. So I think that if you have experience and you know the English language, then you can interact to the people easily in that country. So guys, I today suggest, I think that who are the want who want to learn the English language. So this video for them. I think that if you want to learn the English language, so firstly I think that perhaps you don't have environment to learn English language, to talk the English language, but we have studied one subject English in the school. So I think that you have to learn the English language, and you have to learn first the English grammar. The English grammar is the very important and key of the learning English language. You have to learn rule of the grammar. If you learn the English grammar, then you can able to speak and able to learn the English language. So I think that it is the language, and it is I think that familiar language. Everyone knows that the English language is a language. So I think that before I did not know the English language, and I did not have environment to learn the English language, but I had knowledge the rule of the grammar, and as per the grammar rule I start to speak the English language, and little bit I now develop and improved my English language. So guys, I think that English language to learn, it is not difficult if you practice and if you try to learn the English language. Guys, I think that to learn the English language, since I bought the smartphone, I kept watching the YouTube channel related to the English content. So I mentioned a past video, last video, that when I was young, that time I wanted to learn the English language, how to speak the English language. So this kind of thinking, uh, yes, I was thinking